In this video, I'll show you how you can delete the records of your database table. Okay, so here you remember in the earlier videos we created these three records 1301, 1302 and 1303. Okay, I will remove these database table records, or you can say I will delete these database table records. Okay, so to delete a particular table record, we need to have an identity of that record that you want to delete. Okay, so here the unique identity is employee number, but I can also make use of this unique identity. Dango is the last name. Okay, so I'll just go to SQL, and this is delete statement. Delete, okay, from, okay, here we need not to specify the column name. The reason being because the entire record will be deleted. Okay, it's not like the value of a particular column will be deleted, it's that the entire record will be deleted. Okay, so delete from, then the table name, employees. Okay, now I have to specify the unique identifier using which I can specify the particular record that I want to delete. Okay, using the where clause. Definitely delete from employees where employee underscore number is equal to 1303. That's it. Okay, delete from employees where employee underscore number is equal to 1303. I'll run this query, and now it asks, do you really want to execute this statement? So whenever you will run a delete query, it will definitely ask you this. Okay, and then I'll just click on the OK. And now you see the record with the employee number 1303 is deleted. Okay, now I'll use a different identifier, that is the last name is equal to Dango, to delete the remaining two records. Okay, I'll go to SQL. I'll choose delete from, so I'll write delete from employees where last underscore name is equal to Dango. Okay, so here, you know, it's not case sensitive. Either you write Dango, it will also delete. If you write Dango, it will also delete. Okay, so I'll just write all capital. Okay, so let's see if it deletes the records. I'll just click on go. Okay, so you see two rows are affected. Okay, so I'll just check. You see both of the records are now being deleted. Okay, like update statement, here you also have to be aware. You select the right identifier in the where clause. Otherwise, you know, if you don't specify the where clause, it will delete the records from the entire table. I mean, all of the records of the table will be deleted. That's all about the delete statement.